All right, boys and girls, I told you I was going to come out with a second video, and this is modeling fraction. This will help you with tonight's homework. And I noticed on your paper, you probably don't have a lot of modeling on your actual assignment itself. But go through there. Make sure you do modeling and standard algorithm on some of the practice, especially the ones that just showed you with these kind of problem where there is no whole numbers or no mixed numbers, but just have your regular fractions. So if parents, if you listen to this video, have them practice some of these modeling on their extra practice on tonight's homework. All right, so boys and girls, let's go ahead and get started. All right, it's the same thing. I'm going to ask you guys to do the four square method, but the only difference is instead of writing down the problem, you're going to write down the problem and model the problem at the same time. So you have 2/3 plus 2/9. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw a model of 2/3, and you're going to shade it in. And I'm going to change colors really quickly on you guys, just so you can see it. All right. And you're going to model the same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Let me just go ahead and make it a little bit better than that. All right. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2. Changing colors. I'm sorry about this, guys. 1, 2. All right. Over here, I'm going to do plus. All right. And this time I'm going to come over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Okay. And I'm going to shade in 2 of them. All right. And once again, I apologize, but I'm just trying to get you guys to understand it. All right. So I have 2/9 here and 2/9 and 2/3 on the other one. All right. So boys and girls, this is me modeling. This is the problem right here. The next thing I'm going to do is find my LCD. And if you don't know how to find the LCD, look in the previous video and it'll show you exactly how to find the LCD, which is mixing number. But in this situation, so I can not waste any time, I'm going to go ahead and write the LCD is 9. So I'm going to put 9 here. And I'm going to actually model 9 boxes. So right here. And I'm going to make sure I have 9 boxes because the LCD is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is rewrite the problem. That means I'm going to take this right here. Okay. I'm going to take this problem right here, and I'm going to make this right here 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I'm going to draw my next box right here, which will be all LCD, so they both have in common. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right. Now, I'm going to shade it in using different colors. I'm going to use blue. Blue is a nice color. All right. So I'm going to do 1, 2. 1, 2. This is me rewriting the problem. And now I'm going to see how many multiple it takes to get from 3 to 9. Well, it takes me 3 multiples to do it. So I'm going to make sure I draw 3 individual boxes. So this is 1, 2, and 3. And over here, it just takes me 1, so I don't need to touch anything. All right. I don't have to touch anything right here. So I just keep here. Now all I'm going to do is go ahead and add them and put them all in with my 9s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to shade in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And over here, I'm going to put in 2 more. 1, 2, 7, 8. And my answer is 7/9. All right. Make sure. 6. Oh, I'm sorry. 8/9. 8/9. Okay. So my answer is. Sorry, I miscounted. 8/9. All right. Now over here, I'm going to check my work, and I'm going to make it really quickly. So my LCD is 9. Okay. 2/3. 2/9. Okay. times 9, 9. Excuse me. Miss Kelly's dealing with the cold. 6. Okay. 2. Add them together, you get 8 ninths. And my answer is already simplified, so my answer is 8 ninths. Now, boys and girls, that's how you do this problem right here. All right. The other one is subtraction. I'm going to show you subtraction right now. All right, so boys and girls, I'm going to bring it back again. Okay, the problem we have here really quickly is 7/8 minus 1/2. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and rewrite the problem. That's what I did first, and then I'm going to rewrite the model. So I'm going to rewrite the problem. I'm going to write the problem and the model that goes with it. So this is 7/8 and 1/2. Excuse me, Miss Keller is still sick. All right, okay. On the other side, you're going to find the LCD, and that's going to be your LCD is going to be 8. All right. And what you're going to do here is you're going to have 8 boxes to represent the LCD. All right. Okay. So I'm going to make sure I have it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 boxes. Let's go over here. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and rewrite the model all over again. Okay. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1/2. Okay, cut that in half. I'm gonna change the colors for you real quick. All right, I'm gonna shade this in, and I'm gonna shade in 7 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep miscounting. There we go. All right. So, and then I'm going to rewrite the LCD on the very bottom. And I'm going to make sure I have 8 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So I have 8 of them. Okay. All right, so boys and girls, I'm going to go ahead and see how many multiples it took me to get from 7/8. And if it only took me 1, so I'm going to leave it alone. And then I'm going to see how many multiples it took me to get from 2 to 8. Well, it took me 4 multiples to get from 2 to 8. So I am going to separate it or equalize it into 4 equal parts. Okay? All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade in 7 of them, because that's my larger number first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then here's the opposite. Instead of me shading in 4 of them to add on to it, I'm going to cross it out, because remember, boys and girls, I'm subtracting. So I'm going to cross this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 4. I apologize. 4. And I'm left with 3 of them. So my answer is 3/8. All right. Checking my answer. 7/8 minus 1/2. LCD is 8. 7/8. Rewrite the problem. Okay. My common denominator is 8. 4 and 4. 4 eighths. Subtraction symbol. 1 and 1, which would be 8 and 7. Subtract that, you get 3/8. And that is my answer. All right. So boys and girls, that's going to help you with tonight with modeling. If you have any question on any of them, save some extra practice and we can go over it tomorrow. But I hope that kind of helps out. I'm going to pause it real quickly, and actually I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to show you one more video about finding the missing numerator and denominator. If you have any question, save the problem for tomorrow. We'll go over it very quickly, and then we'll move on. You guys have a great evening. See you tomorrow.